Hello, we are Team Cookonomics and we are going to pitch a demo for our web application powered by agentic AI. We wanted to solve a problem we see every day. Modern life, with its demand on our time and budget, often prevents us from having healthy and enjoyable meals. So, we develop an agentic AI to help us. Let's explore Cookonomics together, starting with creating a new user profile. You can sign in with your Google account. I'm going to tell the AI a few things about me. My food preferences are especially important. And it goes deeper than just preference. We cover your essential dietary needs as well, for instance, religious requirement or any allergies. Now that our profile is registered in the application, I'm going to ask AI to create a 1-week meal plan with a generous budget. And here it is, a 1-week meal plan perfectly suited for my profile. Great! Now let's clear this meal plan. To show you what else is possible, I'm going to switch over to my teammate's account and reveal some next level features. Okay, so now we are in a different account. As you can see, this account has already generated 2 meal plans and they all remain same. Let's pick up the same point I showed you in my previous account. You can access your collection of saved recipes, and this gives you more than just the titles. You get the full ingredient list and step-by-step instructions. You can also submit a photo of your final dish for an AI evaluation. It's a great way to get instant feedback. I can see many areas that need more work. Best of all, it seamlessly integrates with Google Calendar, allowing you to export your entire meal plan with a single click. That's all from us. We are Team Cookonomics and thank you for listening.